Get ready for a legal dictation. 5 seconds. Start. Having heard learned counsel for the parties, insofar as the procedure prescribed is concerned, clearly the railways did not respond to the first notice dated 8/8/2018 issued under clause 1.2.54 under bracket B under bracket first stop. To that extent, undisputedly, the procedure stood complied stop. Coming to the notice seeking appointment for arbitration, again perusal of the notice dated 31/12/2018 brings about the grievance of the applicant with respect to the non-payment under bracket claimed bracket close and further non-resolution of that dispute within a period of 120 days from the notice dated 8/8/2018 stop para. Therefore, though the applicant proposed the name of an arbitrator which is sought to appoint at, in paragraph 12 of the same, notice had addressed the respondent to appoint its arbitrator in terms of the act stop para. Accordingly, it has to be accepted that the arbitrator had been sought by the applicant in terms of the act and also it had exercised its objection permissible to be raised under section 12 under bracket 5 of the act stop. The fact that it had proposed the name of independent arbitrator may, therefore, remain a proposal made by the applicant, but not a conduct as may be read to have violated the procedure itself. Stop. The railway respondent may have been within its rights to oppose the name proposed by the applicant, however, they cannot claim that by proposing such name, the applicant had violated the procedure stop. Therefore, the second objection as to violation of procedure also does not merit acceptance stop para. Third, in view of the observation made above, the objection raised by Sri Tripathi to proposal to appointed an independent arbitrator outside the panel of arbitrators available, the respondents, also cannot be accepted stop. In the first place, the applicant had exercised its rights to object to the appointment as arbitrator, any person who may have been a railway employee stop. Second, the railway never proposed the names to the applicant for appointment of arbitrator stop. Therefore, it has to be accepted that it remains from the parties to appoint the contested arbitrator stop para. Present application has been filed after expiry of statutory period from the issuance of notice dated 31/12/2018, therefore, in that regard, the application does not suffer from any infirmity stop. Last, it has been submitted that the applicant had submitted his own claim certificate in unequivocal terms stop, though, prima facie, it appears that such no claim certificate had been issued, however, that issue pertains to merits of the claim proposed to be filed and not to the maintainability of merits of the present application, which has to remain confined to provide for a forum where a claim may arise stop. Therefore, leaving all rights open to the respondent to object to the claim that it is proposed to be filed before the learned arbitrator proposed to be appointed, that objection cannot be entertained at this stage stop para. In this context, it has been started by learned counsel for the applicant that 3 other similar applications involving similar nature of disputes arising inter parties, matters have been referred to arbitrations to Mr. Justice Tarun Agrawal, Chief Justice under bracket retired bracket close Meghalaya High Court, residing at Delhi NCR A-5, sector 14, Noida stop. In view of such facts, it is desirable that the parties may be at convenience, if they, are offered the same learned arbitrator stop para.